So hello all the star Technophiles, this is Ojasvi Jan, and in this video we will going to cover a very important functions in JavaScript that is related to the number primitive data type. You can consider this video kind of the wrap up video for a number primitive data type. Here we will going to see the each and every detail about all the important function that is related to the numbers, and a very important one, like like from where we are getting these all the list. Actually, this is a very important to know about that. So let's see the things one by one. So in my first video I have declare a variable, or I have shown you that how to declare a number type value in a JavaScript, especially in a literal way. So this is the way, very common one. This is a literal way to declare a variable. Just I really want to console this so that you will get a value on a console as well. And once I save it, you will going to see that literal way and its value is 90. Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss about this whole list of the function that is available in a JavaScript for a developing purpose. Like whenever we are making some logics, so at that time we are using these functions according to our requirement. Now my question is, why exactly I'm able to use these function? Because once you are declare a variable and you apply the dot operator in that, है ना? Simply when you are applying just dot operator, you will able to see these all the functions like that dot. You will able to see all the list of the function that I have written, that is 2 exponential, here as well 2 exponential, 2 fixed, 2 fixed, 2 local string, 2 precision, here it is 2 precision, and 2 fixed, here it is 2 fixed. So this whole list come with the help of the dot operator. Now I really want to tell you where exactly these functions are there in a JavaScript programming language. So for that, I have to declare a variable in another way. And this way we called as a constructive way. So see this syntax one by one. Let me just create one variable. And if I really want to create one variable in a constructive way, especially a number type value, how I can do that? That is new with the help of new keyword and the number function. And what value I want to assign to this? It's 90. So this syntax give me a one object of number type. I really want to see this object on a console. So that's why I'm going to write one console statement for that. And when I save it, you will going to see one object kind of structure of number. Its value is 90. When I open it, you will going to see that one double quotes, like its primitive value it's 90. Yes, it is, because I have given a 90. What if I give a 900? Then you will going to see the 900 there. Okay. So this is the object wrapper I am getting. Now still I am not getting exact this kind of value literal way, है ना? So what I have to do for that? I have to declare another variable and just do a one operation on that, that is a value of, I'm going to take its value. Okay. And once I console it, you will going to see exactly the same function, exactly the same function. Here what I have done is nothing but I'm going to, so here you can see the exact function. Like if I really want to show you in a like proper way, so here you can see that constructive way is another variable. What I have declared is just I'm using the number object dot value, its function, to receive a value, that is 90 value. So once you will see the value on a console, this is a constructive way. With the help of the constructive way, you will going to see that 90 exactly similar as we are getting for the literal way. Now if I really want to tell you that the here is the list that we can use with the help of a dot operator that is there in its prototype. That's why we are able to use that. Okay, so this is a constructor, this is a function, this is a two exponential function. Here it is written two exponential, two fixed, here it is written two fixed. So this is a two string, here it is a two string, and this is a two precision, so here it is a two precision. Means all the function we are able to, like, all the function with that we are able to access with the help of the dot operator that is there in its prototype list. That's why we are able to access that. Okay, so this is a kind of a intuition behind the all the function. If you are new in the learning journey of the JavaScript, definitely it's a little bit tricky for you to understand, but I really want to show you the exact like origin of this function, and that's why I really want to tell you now. Let's move this one by one, and we will discuss lot more detail about the two exponential, two string, two phase, and two precision. So let's see this thing one by one. So first of all, let me just comment it out, and now you will going to see for the two exponential value. So if I start with the two exponential, let's see this thing one by one. So here it is for the two exponential. Once I console it, let's just read its definition first. This will give you a clear idea about it, and once you see that, you will going to understand in a proper way what exactly the two exponential do for us. So it converts a number into a string, very important point, and written it's in a exponential format. As the name suggests that it is converted into the exponential format. So let's see one example that will give you a more clarity. Just I have written one uh, let me declare one variable, and let me apply that function. How you will going to apply? With the help of x dot and to exponential, nothing else. This is the function, and once I console this num, you will going to see the format of the exponential. That is the definition set to us. Here it is, value in a exponential format, that is 4.56 whole value, and it is exponential format plus 2. This point is come to the after 4, and that's why it's going to be plus 2. Okay, so if you give a 1, then see the result, what is behavior. It's kind of wrapping for us up to the 1th decimal, and if you give a 2, then it will going to wrap up the 2th decimal, like after 2, like 4.57. If I give a 3, then it will give a 4.5 68 kind of, है ना? So this is the all about two exponential work. Now let's see for the toString method. Here it is a toString method. So what about the toString? As the name suggests that it will convert a number type into a string format, right? Nothing fancy. So let me just give you a one uh, definition for that you will consider in a more intuitive way. Here it is, toString method converts the numeric value into the string one. Let me give you the one example as well, very simple example that you will going to understand in one way only. That is nothing but I'm declaring x variable, assigning with the 10, and I'm assigning the x dot to string, and this number will going to convert it into the string format. If I really want to show you the type of, so this will give you more clarity. Here it's type of a string, and what about the type of x? Let's see this as well. Console.log, and its type of x. Here it is. Save it and it's the type of his number. It's quite like simple one, है ना? Its name only gives you a whole clarity only. So let's see the one by one another method that is nothing but a to fixed. So to fixed is a kind of a little bit opposite of the exponential method. So let's see how it is working. And if you just see its definition with me, you will get a more clarity. Here it is. And let's see this one by one. To-fixed can be used as a counter method of the to-exponential. For instance, to convert an exponential back to the integer, in this case, you will going to use to-fixed. Very important point, right? Now, I really want to give you example as I have given for the previous one. So I am going to declare this is a, I have declared a number. Now I am going to console it, console. It's num dot to fixed. So this is to fixed that I am going to use this function, and you can see that one like 1.23 e की power 2 will going to convert it into the numeric form. What if it is exponential 1? So as expected, this will going to give you a 12, right? So this is give you a integer value, or it convert the exponential form into the integer one. Okay, this is the understanding you can make regarding the to fixed function. Another example I can also give you that what if the number is not in exponential form, then you can use the function or a number in that way. For example, 4.5679 kind of a value I have given to the number 1. Now if I really want to value that is 4.56 only, or this is also kind of giving me a wrap up value that is 4.56 ki jagah it's giving me a 4.57. So with the help of to fixed, I'm getting a wrap up value as well. If I really want to up to the 3-digit value, then it will going to give me 4.568. So this is also an application you can consider as a to fixed function. Now let's see the another function. This is nothing but a to precision. Just let me comment it out first. Then you will going to see these things one by one. Let's see for the to precision value, and the to precision, as the name suggests, that this will give you the precision of the number as much as you want according to your requirement. So let's see its definition first. This will give you a more clarity. Here it is. It's written a number as a string, very important one, and value in a specified precision. Okay, whatever the specified precision number you will give, you will get the output accordingly. Let's see the things one by one. And here it is. Let me declare first variable. Now if I want let's see the default behavior first, then we will do the experiment. I'm using number dot operator, then to precision. It's giving me a whole value if I'm not specifying any precision. I give a 1, then it will give me a 5, because it's kind of wrap up for me, है ना? Like exponential form में. And if I do a 2, then again point will come to the 4 point something, and after that, after point 1, it is wrapping up all the numbers and giving me the exponential form. Okay, let's see this 3. You will see that 4, 5, 6, and after that it is just like give me a precision up to the 3 value. Okay, that is 6 and making this as a 7, it's point 0.7, so it is like a rounded figure, like all round the number it's a 457, like that, to precision doing. And if you give a fourth value digit, then you will going to see that 5456.8. And so the precision value, what the precision value will do, it will not reduces your number. Like if you give a 1, so it will give you a 5, and this decimal value comes to that, and exponential plus 2, as you previously seen that. And what if you give a 4, then it will give you a up to the fourth digit value, and it's wrap up also, है ना, 456.8, kind of the precision, to precision does that work for you. And let me just give you another example like that. 5, if it is 5, what its value is 456.79, like as expected it's giving as a value. So hope you get a clear idea about each and every function: to exponential, to string, to fixed, and to precision. Just play with that functions, just put some value, and do kind of conclusion that okay, this function doing in that way, this function giving that value, this value. So make the understanding like that, so that you will apply wherever it is required to make your logic. Hope you got a clear idea about that, how exactly these functions come into the picture, and how exactly these function works. So in the next video we will going to discuss lot more detail about the another primitive data type, that is nothing but a string. So as of now, take care, have a nice day, and see you in the next video.